Hello humans. Now, this is not just a simple catchphrase. It also symbolizes our values of equality, meaning that every human being should be treated with the same respect regarding human rights, no matter what gender, sexuality, ethnicity, or religion you have. Our society, no matter if here in Germany or in the United States, is still ingrained with racist structures and beliefs, and therefore people of color and especially the Black community still get treated much worse. To help the victims and support the ongoing protests, we want to raise money by releasing a sample pack. It's called Solid Sounds. Now, this couldn't be possible without the help of our German producer friends who sent us their samples and tried to help us out to give this a bigger impact. So thank you so much for your support, guys. Really, really cool. You can get the pack on Bandcamp for $10 or more. And we will donate all the money from the pack to 3 different fundraisers. You can check them out in the description here. So have fun with the samples. Thank you for your support and stay safe.